Hey everyone! In today's digital age, data is everywhere, and its potential is limitless. From predicting consumer behavior to optimizing business operations, data science has become a cornerstone of modern innovation. But what powers this world of data? The answer lies in statistics. Statistics, the mathematical framework that empowers data scientists to extract meaningful insights from vast amounts of information. Let's delve into how statistics fuels the world of data science, shaping our understanding of the world around us. Descriptive statistics provide a summary of the main features of a dataset. Measures such as mean, median, and standard deviation offer insights into the central tendency and variability of the data. Inferential statistics allow data scientists to make inferences and predictions about a population based on a sample of data. Probability theory forms the foundation of statistical reasoning, enabling us to quantify uncertainty and randomness in data. Machine learning, a subset of data science, relies heavily on statistical principles to build predictive models from data. However, statistics also raises ethical concerns regarding privacy, bias, and fairness. Transparency, accountability, and ethical oversight are essential pillars of responsible data science practice. In conclusion, statistics serves as the bedrock of data science, enabling us to harness the power of data for societal benefit. With statistics as our guiding light, we can navigate the vast sea of data with clarity and purpose, shaping a brighter future for generations to come. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, like, and share videos.